Hey there, Dave Gardner here. Welcome back. The next question I have is, what is network marketing? Now, network marketing is often associated and kind of correlated or used simultaneously with the MLM or multi-level marketing, but it doesn't necessarily have to be that way. When you have a network, you're really just reaching out, you're connecting with people. You're think about a spider web, okay? It's got all these things that are connected together, and that would be a network. If you're on Facebook or if you're on some other social media, you might be friends with someone else, and maybe you guys have mutual friends. Okay, so that way you're all connected, and that's how a network works. So let's say you have a product and you sell that product, maybe someone else comes and buys it, and maybe then they start talking about that. You've been connected through a network. Now again, that whole idea about being connected with MLM is that maybe someone will come underneath you and they will join your team, and then next thing you know, they're going to bring in their network, they're going to bring in their friends and family and warm market, or maybe they're going to do some advertising, and they're going to start to grow the team underneath you while you continue to bring other people as well. So again, that's just a little bit about what network marketing is. It's just that expansive network that you continue to grow, and that you do have some common ties and there's connections where everyone can help each other when you're on a certain part of that team. So again, that's been network marketing. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or your own opinion on what network marketing is, be sure to leave them below. This has been Dave Gardner.